Since its introduction, Apple Pay has proven a game-changer for a variety of financial transactions, including purchasing a cup of coffee on the move, paying for groceries, and even purchasing a new outfit that you spotted online. Because it is quick and convenient, and because, hey, who doesn't love getting rid of that cumbersome wallet? If, on the other hand, you have recently acquired a Sofi debit card, you might be scratching your head thinking about how to configure it to work with Apple Pay. There is no need to be concerned, fellow coffee aficionados and tech enthusiasts. The process of verifying your Sofi card for use with Apple Pay is a simple one, and this video will guide you through each stage of the process step by step. Now, before we dive in, it's important to note that there are actually two ways to add your Sofi card to Apple Pay. There's the manual method, where you enter your card information directly into the wallet app. But there's also a faster and easier way through the Sofi app itself, thanks to a feature called instant provisioning. In this video, we'll cover both methods so you can choose the one that best suits your needs. Method 1, the Sofi app shortcut, instant provisioning. Alright, Sofi fans, let's get started with the super speedy method. Open the Sofi app and navigate to your Sofi Money homepage. See that More tab in the bottom right corner? Give it a tap. Now, you're looking for the debit card option. Find it and give it a friendly tap as well. This might be your first time activating your Sofi debit card, so you'll likely see an Activate button. Go ahead and press that. Here comes the magic. You should see an option that says Add to Apple Wallet. This is the instant provisioning shortcut we were talking about. Tap it. Pro tip, if you don't see the Add to Apple Wallet option, don't worry. It just means your card might already be activated. No worries, we'll cover the manual method in a sec. The Sofi app will walk you through a quick confirmation screen, just to make sure everything looks good. Double check the info, and if it's all Gucci, tap Next. Now, you'll need to agree to the terms and conditions for mobile payments with Sofi. Give them a read, or skim, we all do it, and hit agree if you're happy with everything. And that's it. Your Sofi debit card should now be seamlessly integrated with Apple Pay. You might see a confirmation screen or receive a notification letting you know it's ready to use. Method 2, the manual method, adding your card info. Maybe you don't have the instant provisioning option in the Sofi app, or perhaps you just prefer the manual route. No problem. Here's how to add your Sofi card info directly to Apple Pay. Grab your iPhone and open the Wallet app. It's usually on your home screen, but if you can't find it, just do a quick search. See that little plus symbol in the top right corner? That's your ticket to adding a new card. Give it a tap. You'll now be given two options, scan card or enter card details manually. Since we don't have a physical Sofi card, it's a debit card, we'll go with the manual entry method. Tap Enter Card Details manually at the bottom of the screen. Now comes the fun part, filling in the info. Apple Pay will ask you for the following. Name on card, this should be the name exactly as it appears on your Sofi account. Card number, this is the 16-digit number on the front of your virtual Sofi debit card, you can find it in the Sofi app. Expiration date, it's usually displayed as month/year. CVV, this is the 3-digit security code located on the back of your virtual card, again, find it in the Sofi app.